Hello everyone, Chef Eric and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And this week I'll be showing you guys how to make my delicious, amazing mushroom pasta, and it whips up super quick and easy, and it's absolutely delicious. And it's obviously super easy to make. So obviously, step number one is to lay out all the ingredients we're going to need for this recipe. And for this recipe, we're going to need some all-purpose flour, butter, olive oil, our pasta, mushrooms, cream, milk, some rosemary or thyme, some dania, and some garlic. So we're gonna start by cooking our pasta. So to a large mixing bowl, to a large pot, we're gonna add in some hot water along with our pasta. Here I went with a penne-shaped pasta, but you can do whatever you have on hand. And to that, you wanna add more salt than you think you need, and let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, once your pasta is nice and cooked through, you wanna pour it over a strainer, and make sure there's a container underneath the strainer to catch some of the pasta water. And you wanna save some of that pasta water for later. We're gonna use it to loosen our sauce and make it a little bit more creamy. Now, once you save a little bit of the pasta water, you can drain out the rest, and you wanna wash your pasta with a bit of cold water to reduce the chance of it sticking. This just makes the pasta stop cooking immediately to avoid overcooking and to avoid sticking. So it's like a neat trick whenever you're working with pasta. So set that aside, and we can now start to work on our mushrooms. So here I have about 100 grams of mushrooms, or about 8 pieces of white button mushrooms. I just want to chop them up along with a little bit of thyme, and make sure you crush your garlic, and we can head over to the stove. Now in a large pot, in the same pot, you just want to add your mushrooms into the pot along with some butter, some olive oil, and some thyme, and just want to fry that up for a few minutes, just until the mushrooms start to get fully cooked through, just until they start to turn brownish and they start to become smaller in size. Once you have achieved that, you want to add in your garlic and give that a really good mix, and fry up your garlic until it's nice and you can sort of smell it. So once your garlic can be smelled and it's fully cooked through, you want to add in your all-purpose flour and give that a really good mix. Your mushrooms will start to clump up, but just slowly start adding in your cooking cream and your milk. Stream it in a little bit at a time, just until you start to form a nice sauce. And once you form the sauce, you want to add in some nutmeg. The nutmeg is really compulsory, especially if you're going to be adding the cream. Add in your nutmeg and some black pepper, and then add in your pasta. Give your pasta a really good mix until it's all fully incorporated, and then add a little bit of pasta water to loosen everything up, because at this stage you might notice you maybe pushed your sauce a bit too much and it's too thick at this point. So instead of adding milk, just add a bit of pasta water. Add some black pepper, salt, and give everything a really good mix. Garnish with some dania, and you're done. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and if you do, make sure you tag me over on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever platform. The username is Budding Chef Eric. And I hope you guys like and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing content every single Monday.